Y'all niggas ain't know. Feel me? Had to go outside, put the jacket back on, but I don't know if I had it off at first. I just did a reaction, but shit. Yeah, you know, niggas just got a good steak, good filet mignon, you feel me? First time. Hey, it's the first time I ever had filet mignon. We finna try it from the Outback Steakhouse. You already know. They got some good little Outback. So we gonna open this up real fast, huh? We gonna be back. Oh, nigga, got the good buzz too. I've been saving it. Not really saving it, but shit. I ain't smoking it a couple hours, you know. Yeah, I ain't type of nigga just blow my shit down. You know, good for letting y'all steak though, you know. Nigga feel happy and shit, yeah. Damn. It's busting up in that motherfucker, cuz. What's this? Oh, this the, yeah, what is this? Hey, open this bitch, cuz. Damn. Oh, we're trying to open this bitch. Cuz. I'm about to say, oh, that's the good mac and cheese. You feel me? Ooh, shit. Yes, sir. Yeah, is that what it is? It's what it is, man. That motherfucker felt soft as fuck. Damn. My gosh. Good lobster. But yeah, damn, I don't even want to record with y'all, man. I'm gonna have to, man, I don't know. Feel me? Hold up, cuz. This motherfucker busting. Like, damn, nigga. Cuz. I don't know, man. It's gonna shit. Y'all might not be able to actually see the food. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit, but man, y'all have to see me bust down. So let's see what this bust for them. No, nigga gotta dig into the steak first, nigga. Like, hold on, cuz. What that steak really hit for, cuz? Well, wasn't worth the price. Be straight up. Like, you know, so it was off Uber Eats though, but shit, it wasn't worth the price. You know how they tax you off of shit. Even though I think it came up to what? The steak itself probably like $27, but it's not worth it. Shut up, nigga. No, boy, you're broke. Nigga, hey, I'm a straight up hood, nigga. I'm gonna tell the straight nigga, no, I'm saying. Hey, but I'm gonna tell the truth, nigga. I ain't finna shit go shit. We gotta eat shit too. Cause it wasn't that busting. It was busting. Hey, I tried to Outback, but talking about shit. Well, nigga, it lucky look well done. I asked for well done, but I know it's not well done. Probably could have been cooking more. But damn, this shit could have been tasting better. Like, nigga, what y'all really do to this motherfucker? This motherfucker tastes like I could have cooked it better. I thought this motherfucker stuff was be soft and shit, nigga. I'm over trying to cut this bitch, nigga. Come on, cuz. Give me some. Might have to just pick up the whole steak and just start biting. I did try this espresso butter. That's probably what I'm missing. Put that espresso butter on there. Is that what I'm missing? That's probably what it is. That's probably what it is. Yeah, that's that butter right there, That's what it was. So like that butter on there. Yeah, hold on. Now it's busting. I ain't even tried to smell it. Yeah. I'm in for something, nigga. I'm in for a treat. Damn. Yeah, now we talking. That little piece. Let's see what this is for now. Okay. You know me. Gotta get every little taste in my mouth. That's right. This motherfucker, oh, give me all that. You know, all that, man. Stop playing with him. Alright. Now, so that's what it's looking like, you feel me? With that little espresso butter. That shit is good, but I don't know, they hype that motherfucker up too much. You feel me? The Mac. Let's see. Damn, this motherfucker cheesy, this motherfucker. I like that macaroni and cheese. You know, I'm a macaroni and cheese man. You feel me? I'm a mac and cheese man. Nigga. If I probably had that shit every day, I would, but it gotta be made certain. Like this one, everybody got their own mac and cheese. I like this. I like their cheese that they use. How they could have cooked the noodles a little. Like, that shit, like, you know, I be thinking about what I'm gonna say before I say it. I'll be saying some wild shit. Well, I'm just going to say it. You know, I'm not gonna what's it called? I'll censor that shit. You know? That was made by some white people. I'll tell you that. That wasn't made by no black nigga. Hell no. The steak wasn't made. Hey, no, actually, let me quiet my mouth. Let me keep going. I wanna get into this lobster because I ain't even a lobster type of nigga, really. Like, cause my game ain't up there like that all the way. So y'all gotta shit rock with me. You feel me? I ain't rich, my nigga. Nigga, what you mean? I ain't rich. Yeah. This motherfucker look like it's busting, but it's not like busting like I thought it would be. Like, damn. Wait. I was waiting for it. See that bite right there? That bite right there, boy. That'll change your life. You hear me? That'll bring in something, boy. Oh, let me stop talking like I'm from the country. But damn. I think I added that butter. That's what they should have did. Hold on. Hold on. Let me do something real fast. That's what they should have did. Chop that. You ever thought of that? Like, y'all niggas don't think like me. You feel me? I'll be on some exportation type shit. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Niggas so damn just caught it. This motherfucker just fire. Let me try this motherfucker. Damn, girl. That's all they gave me. I thought it was gonna be meat inside this motherfucker. They took the meat out. Where my meat at, bro? Motherfucker fire. I'm tripping. I am a lobster type of guy. I just ain't no lobster in a minute. I ain't had nothing in a long ass time. Couple months. Like not no actual like shit. Last time I had a lobster tail, like a year ago, probably more, a couple months ago. But damn, I don't know. Something says my mouth. That motherfucker lobster tail. That motherfucker fire. I'm mad that they don't give me that much. Like what the fuck, nigga? Y'all just play me and shit. Well, let me try to get all the meat I can pull out that motherfucker. I mean, is it meat in here? Give me the meat. Give me the meat. Give me the meat. Give me the meat. I'm gonna just put that to the side right there. Gotcha. That's what I'm talking about. Like, nigga, this macaroni and cheese ain't made by a black nigga. The only thing that's rocking is the cheese. Look, man. Wow. Maybe made better. Yeah. Ooh. Alright. Let's rate it. I ain't even had to bake potato yet. I might say that for now. Oh shit. Just a little. Got some extra butter. Damn. I don't know why I smell everything. I'm a fat nigga. But to rate this thing, man. Shit. Let's give it the whole team. I'm gonna put everything together. I'm gonna put the price together. I'm gonna put the food, how long it took, delivery, all that shit come. Nigga, like, nigga, when it came, it was looking kind of cold, you know. So y'all should have had that motherfucker hot, nigga. When it got here, nigga, it was already warm, you know. Type shit. But I'll give it a 7. That's what's coming into my head. I ain't gonna put him down too much. Give him a 6. That's like, I'll give him a 7 because the steak could have been better. That's what's only me throwing me down. So filet mignon. When I first filet mignon, I thought it was gonna be fire, like some Gordon Ramsay type shit. Gordon Ramsay just dropped some shit out the house, bro. Go check that shit out. Well, what's up? Alright. And then, like I said, hit your boy up. I'll make you some fire shit. I can cook. I cook better than him. For sure. But, so lobster tail is a 10 out of 10. Macaroni and cheese. Damn. I'm going to throw that 4 or 5 at y'all. I'll give you a 4.5, 4.8. 4.8 on the mac and cheese. Steak. I'll give you a 7. You stick with a 7. So the whole thing, rock with a 7. You feel me? Because that gives the baked potato too. Because it's just regular. If the baked potato hit, I'll let y'all know that. I'll give it an extra rating if then. Because I'm not just about to give it an extra rating right now. Just, it ain't even that. It's going to throw me off, bro. It's going to. So shit. Comment, like, subscribe. You feel me? We're gonna make another one. We're gonna go out soon. Go out do some way better shit. Yeah, then I'm working on my GoPro camera. So soon it ain't gonna look like this. You know. I hate this shit that I have to do it like this. But I'm just getting out the mud right now. Shit, bro. Fuck with me, rock with me, bear with me. You know, comment, like, subscribe, and share this motherfucker with your peeps. I'm gonna get my GoPro soon so we can be doing it right. You feel me?